Hi, my name's Daniel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to work with monitoring rules in Zend Server 6. The Zend Server monitoring feature is based on a set of predefined rules that can be configured to suit your environment's requirements, or enabled and disabled as necessary. These monitoring rules define the nature of a triggered event, and the parameters for capturing event-related information in an application. In Zend Server 6, monitoring rules are listed in separate groups on the monitoring rules page. There are two types of rule groups: the global rules group and application rule groups. The global rules group is displayed at the top of the groups list and contains a collection of predefined and enabled default monitoring rules called global rules. These rules are also automatically associated with any application managed by Zend Server, deployed or defined, and are grouped together at the top of the rules list in each application rules group. Now let's see a few basic workflows for working with monitoring rules. Global rules can be easily edited by clicking the rule in the rules list. In this case, I'm going to edit the high memory usage rule by entering an email address to be notified of any triggered event, and by changing the critical trigger threshold from 60% to 40%. Any changes made to the default settings will be saved and applied to the relevant child rules in the application rule groups. You can also add a new customized global rule that will be subsequently added to all the application rule groups. To do this, click the add icon on the right and customize the rule. After saving and restarting Zend Server, your new global rule will be listed with the custom rule icon indicating its nature. Each application rule group will also include the new global rule. In the application rule groups, global rules can be configured per application, meaning that default settings are overridden by the new settings, but only for the specific application rule group in which the rule was edited. In this case, I will configure the new global rule that I added previously by enabling a new severity trigger. The overriding rule will be marked by the overriding rule icon in the rules list. The same global rule in the other rule groups are not affected. At any time, the overriding rule can be reverted back to its default settings. In a similar fashion, I can also create a new customized rule that will only apply to the application rule group it was created in. To do this, click the Add button on the right and configure the new rule. The new customized rule will be marked with the custom rule icon in the rules list. Note that this rule will not be listed in any of the other rule groups. Once created, your rules will begin to trigger events. After being alerted by Zend Server, view the event, and if needed, configure your rule to fine-tune it. Thanks for watching this video. For more information on working with monitoring rules and additional features in Zend Server 6, please go to online documentation at www.zend.com.